Transform your life as you listen to these powerful money affirmations for 5 minutes every day and notice a sudden change in your reality as money starts showing up in your life from out of nowhere. I attract money like a magnet. I am connected to the unlimited supply of money of the universe. I am ready to receive massive amounts of money. I am abundant and I am rich. I am allowing the law of attraction to bring me wealth and prosperity. Money comes to me from so many different places. I invite money into my life. I attract huge amounts of money. My income is growing every single day. My daily actions are focused on making money. I am aligned with the energies of prosperity. Everything I touch turns into a success. I am receiving the blessings of the universe. Money is finding its way to me. Waves of abundant prosperity are flowing into my life. I am grateful for this amazing life. I am a money-making machine. Nothing can stop me from reaching my dreams. I am manifesting money constantly. My life is rich and beautiful. I am getting richer every single day. Money creates opportunities in my life. I trust in the law of attraction. My reality has already changed. I choose to experience life. I am richer than I have ever been. I feel so safe knowing I have more than enough. I associate money with happiness. I only allow positive thoughts to enter my mind. I only allow positive emotions to enter my heart. I protect my inner environment. I take control of my mind. I notice how money is coming into my life. I am living my dream life. I am open to receive my blessings. Thank you for my beautiful life. I tap into the abundance of the universe. Every day my wealth is growing. I have a mindset of possibilities. I know I have more than enough money. I know life is truly beautiful. I finally have the freedom to fully enjoy my life. My heart is bursting with pure joy. I truly and deeply love my life. Now get ready to see some unexpected money coming your way as you keep listening to these powerful affirmations every day and replace your old limiting beliefs. But for you to manifest money even faster, continue with this next video and learn how gratitude can catapult your head, making you a magnet to money and prosperity.